Back in May, OnePlus launched its latest flagship killer OnePlus 6 at a price of Rs 34,999 for the 6GB variant and 39,999 for the 8GB variant. Now, the company has announced a new amber red version of its flagship OnePlus 6 smartphone that joins the mirror black, midnight black, silk white, and OnePlus 6 Marvel Avenger limited edition versions of smartphones. Today, we are going to unbox the amber red variant of the OnePlus 6 in our studio. This is Vignesh from Phone Arena, and let's jump into it. As you can see, the packaging looks similar to that of standard OnePlus 6. Opening the box, we have the device on top with a shimmery gloss finish. Rest of the inbox content remains same, including paper documents, clear case, dash charging adapter, and a famous red USB Type-C cable. To capture the perfect red, OnePlus utilized a never-done-before technique utilizing the optical coating, evaporative film, and 6 panels of glass. An added anti-reflective layer was used to allow more light to reach the bottom layers of the glass before being reflected off the device, creating a sense of depth. A translucent orange layer intermixes with the red base layer to achieve a radiant glossy red unique to OnePlus. Other than the color, the specifications of the smartphone remain same as the original OnePlus 6 with a 6.28-inch AMOLED display, dual 16MP plus 20MP camera, 16MP selfie camera, Snapdragon 845 chipset, and a 3300 mAh battery. The OnePlus 6 Amber Edition comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage and will go on sale globally starting next week. It will be available in India from July 16th through Amazon India and OnePlus online store priced at Rs 39,999, same as the other 8GB RAM with the 128GB storage version of the OnePlus 6. This is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.